जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरवनचारी यमुना तीरवनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे हरे। राधा माधव राधे जय गौर निताय गौरनिताय जय गौरनिताय जय कृष्ण बलराम जय कृष्ण बलराम जय कृष्ण बलराम जय कृष्ण बलराम जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 जय जय निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि श्री राधा माधव की जय, श्री कृष्ण बलराम की जय, श्री गौरनिताय की जय, गिरिराज गोवर्धन की जय, ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। गौर ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायण नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यास ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवते उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकीम्। मुखं करोति वाचालं पंगुलं यत् कृपास्तमहं वन्दे श्री गुरुदेवतां श्री परमानन्दमाधवं। सर्वशास्त्राधिपीयूषं सर्ववेदैकसत्फलं सर्वसिद्धान्तरत्नाढ्य सर्वलोकैकदृक्प्रदां सर्वभागवतः प्राण श्रीमद्भागवत प्रभु कलिध्वंतादितादित्य श्री कृष्ण परिवर्तितम् मदेक बंधु मत संगीन मद्गुरु मद महाधन मन निस्तारक मद भाग्य मदानंद नमस्तुते। असाधु साधुदायिने अति नीचो चतो करो आना मंच कदाचिन्या प्रेमणा हृत्कंठयो स्फुरः। श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय। श्रीमद् भागवतम 10th canto chapter 10 11 text 11 देहा किम अर्णदातु स्वम निषेक्तु मातुः एव च मातुः पितुः वा बलिनः क्रेतुः अग्नेः सूनः अपि वा देह किमन्न दातु स्वं निषेक्तुर्मातुरेव च मातुः पितुर्वा वलिनः क्रेतुरग्ने सुनपिबा देहा किमन्न दातु स्वं निषेक्तु मातुरेव च मातुः पितुर्वा वलिनः क्रेतुरग्नेः सुनपिबा देहा किमन्न दातुः स्वं निषेक्तुर्मातुरेव च मातुः पितुर्वा वलिनः क्रेतुरग्नेः सुनपिबा देह किमन्न दातु स्वं कि निषेको मातुवर्तन मातुः पितुर्वा वलिनः क्रेतुरग्ने सुनपिबा देह किमन्न दातुः स्वं निषेक्तुर्मातुरेव च मातुः पितुर्वा वलिनः देह किमन्न दातु स्वं निषेक्तुर्मातुरेव च मातुः पितुर्वा वलिनः क्रेतुरग्ने सुनपिबा देह किमन्न दातु स्वं निषेक्तुर्मातुरेव च मातुः पितुर्वा वलिनः क्रेतुरग्ने सुनपिबा देह किमन्न दातु स्वं निषेक्तुर्मातुरेव च मातुः पितुर्वा वलिनः क्रेतुरग्नेः सुनपिबा देह किमन्न दातु स्वं निषेक्तुर्मातुरेव च मातुः पितुर्वा वलिनः देह यह शरीर किम अन्न धातु क्या यह मेरे स्वामी का है जो मुझे इसके पालन के लिए धन देता है। स्वयं यह स्वयं मेरा है। इंग्लिश है जो क्या नो नीड टू निषेक्तु या यह वीर्य खलित करने वाले का है। मातु एवं या इस गर्भ में धारण करने वाले माता का है। च तथा मातु पितु वा यह माता के पिता अर्थात नाना का है, क्योंकि कभी कभी नाना अपनी नाती को गोद ले लेता है। वलिनः या उसका है जो बलपूर्वक इस शरीर को छीन लेता है। क्रेतु या इस शरीर को बंधुए मजदूर की तरह खरीद लेता है। अग्नि है या अग्नि में जला देता है। सुनहा या कुत्तों तथा गिद्धों का है जो उसे खा जाते हैं। अपि भी वा अथवा। इस श्लोक के अनुवाद तात्पर्य श्रील प्रभुपाद के द्वारा। जीवित रहते हुए यह शरीर उसके अन्नदाता का होता है या स्वयं का अथवा पिता माता या नाना का। क्या यह बलपूर्वक ले जाने वाले का, इसे खरीदने वाले स्वामी का या उन पुत्रों का होता है जो इसे अग्नि में जला देते हैं। और यदि शरीर जलाया नहीं जाता तो क्या यह उन कुत्तों का होता है जो उसे खाते हैं। आखिर इतने सारे दावेदारों में असली दावेदार कौन है, इसका पता लगाने के बजाय पाप कर्मों द्वारा इस शरीर का पालन करना अच्छा नहीं है। सेकेंड वी कैन टेक अनदर 12 because there is no purpose. एवं साधारणं देहम् अव्यक्तं प्रभवाप्ययम् को विद्वानात्मसात् कृत्वा को विद्वान आत्मसात् कृत्वा हन्ति जन्तुर्नुते असतः। यह शरीर आखिर अव्यक्त प्रकृति द्वारा उत्पन्न किया जाता है और नष्ट होकर पुनः प्राकृतिक तत्व में विलीन हो जाता है। अतएव यह सबका सर्व सामान्य गुण है। ऐसे परिस्थितियों में जो द्रुत होगा वही इस संपत्ति को अपनी होने का दावा करेगा और उसे बनाए रखते हुए अपनी इच्छाओं की तुष्टि के लिए पशुओं की हत्या जैसे पाप कर्म करता रहता है। केवल मूढ़ ही ऐसे पाप कर्म कर सकता है। नास्तिक लोग आत्मा के विश्वास नहीं करते तो भी जब तक कोई निष्ठुर नहीं हो तब तक वो पशुओं का व्यर्थ हत्या क्यों करेगा। शरीर पदार्थ के संयोग की अभिव्यक्ति है। प्रारंभ में यह कुछ नहीं था किंतु पदार्थ के संयोग से इसका अस्तित्व हुआ। पुनः जब यह संयोग छिन्न भिन्न होता तो इस शरीर का अस्तित्व नहीं रहेगा। यदि आदि में यह शरीर कुछ नहीं था और अंत में यह कुछ नहीं रह जाएगा तो फिर जब यह व्यक्त रूप में आता है तो कोई पाप कर्म क्यों करे। जब तक कोई ध्रुत ना हो तब तक ऐसा कर पाना संभव नहीं है। ओम ज्ञानम तिमिरांधस्य ज्ञानांजनं शलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। श्री चैतन्य मनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुक्तपदकमलं श्रीगुरु वैष्णवांश श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सागर रघुनाथनितं त्वं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजन सहितं कृष्ण चैतन्य देवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पाद सगण ललिता श्री विशाखान्वितांश। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वांछा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। तो हम लोग दसम स्कंद की जमुना अर्जुन वृक्ष का उद्धार भगवान की दिव्य लीलाओं का श्रवण कर रहे हैं। वास्तविक भगवान का अद्भुत लीलाएं हैं। So we are hearing from mouth of Sukadeva Goswami. This is transcendental Leela, transcendental pastimes, Lords, and we are listening from mouth of Sukadeva Goswami. Here someone have sense who can is eligible to hear the Krishna's pastimes. कौन भगवान का कथा सुनने का योग्य है और क्यों सुनना चाहिए? क्यों हम ये मनुष्य जीवन को भगवत सेवा में लगाना चाहिए? ये मनुष्य जीवन का, ये मानव शरीर का धर्म भगवान का सेवा करना है। इसके बारे में नारद मुनि इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहे हैं मणिग्रीव नलकुबेर को। Why? Who can hear the Lord's pastimes? Who have senses? Who have senses? Everyone have senses. So if you question is, but you have sense, but you don't have sense, because your sense are already useless. If someone's sense are useless, he cannot hear. People have sense, but they don't interest to hear, because their senses are all are collapsed, or all are over. How it is called? How it says? Like, because if you gratify so much in senses, there is no cell. There is no active cell. It is dead. Numb. Numb. So Sukadeva Goswami in many places he says, who can hear this katha? Who have? Only इंद्रियधारी इस कथा को श्रवण कर सकते हैं। इंद्रियधारी तो सब लोग हैं, सब बिना इंद्रिय तो कौन ना, बट इंद्रियधारी वही हो सकता है। कौन श्रवण कर सकता है? जो जिनका इंद्रिय काम कर रहा है। Although they have the sense, but the sense does not active. It is numb. Like example, if you drink too much alcohol, you can the tongue finish. If you eat anything, you cannot recognize it is good or bad or whatever. You cannot taste the sabji. You can, like you have disease. The corona first symptom. COVID, when COVID came, first symptom, you lose your smell, you lose your taste. So like that, you have the sense, but you can't feel it. So like that, if you have, so Sukadeva Goswami mentioned 10th canto Bhagavatam, after he will, many places he mentioned, who can hear, who can eligible to hear this? Those who have sense. Means, those who have the sense is proper, they can hear this. So that's why here, यहाँ पर नारद मुनि जमला अर्जुन का इतिहास वर्णन कर रहे हैं। ये जमला अर्जुन जो इतनी बड़े वृक्ष है, कैसे ये वृक्ष बने, वृक्ष जन्म में कैसे आए? How they comes to this tree form? How they assume the tree form? So he is giving this itihas, the history. They are the son of Kuber, and they are so much intoxicated by their false pride, and so that is because they cannot hear. The people are intoxicated by. So this is the teaching. So who claim this body is who claim this body belong to that person? There is they many. So he give the example. So nicely he nicely explain. Who claim this is my body? This is my body. Whom this body belongs to whom? It belongs to fire god. It belongs to son, daughter. Whom this belongs to insect, or it belongs to father and mother who they give the bodies? Whose belong to? Who claim this belong to? This is my son, this is my daughter, this is my body, this is who, from whom this bodies belong? ये शरीर किसका है? आग में जला देता है, खत्म। आग ले लेता है, लास्ट में आग उसको भस्मीभूत कर देता है। ये आग का था या वो कुत्ता का? कुत्ता दे के बैठा है खाने के लिए डेड बॉडी को, ये कुत्ता का था, गीधों का था। ये गीधों और कुत्ते का ये शरीर, ये अग्निदेव का शरीर, या माता पिता क्लेम करिए मेरा शरीर। माता पिता ने दिया ये शरीर, ये बनाया है, मातृ माँ के गर्भ में इतने साल रहा, इतनी तो ये बना, लेकिन किसका ये शरीर? कोई क्लेम नहीं कर सकती किसका शरीर है, सबका अधिकार है। जहां लास्ट के इसका अंत होता है तो ये इसे देखा जाता है ये सबका भाग है। माता पिता भी ये है, और माता पिता का शरीर तो माता पिता लो लास्ट में, लेकिन नहीं, वो अग्निदेव लास्ट में, अग्निदेव और कीड़े मकोड़े वो भी उनका भी दवा है, हम इसको खाएंगे। कुत्ता का भी दवा है, ये हमारा भोजन है। तो इसलिए किसका ये शरीर है? और जो जबरदस्ती इसको खरीद कर लिया वो बोलेगा मेरा, मैं पैसा दे के तुमको खरीद किया। वी समवन इन दिस दैट दोज डेज इन ब्रिटिश टाइम, नो दे टेक द कृतदास, नो हाउ व्हाट slaves, yes, slave. They take, they give the money and take the people and they make them slave, and whole life they have to, yes, they do, for them they will work for whole life. So that's why it is mentioned here, whom this body belongs to whom? So that's why last he mentioned. So if you want to wonder whose belongs to this body, no need to go to find out. No, you will not find out whose belongs to this body, whose. So better don't use this body in sinful activities. तो सुखदेव गोस्वामी बोल रहे हैं इसका पता लगाने बजाय पाप कर्म द्वारा इस शरीर का पालन करना अच्छा नहीं है। ये इसको ढूंढना चाहिए, ढूंढना नहीं चाहिए शरीर किसका। So how long? So we should not wastage our time. So whom this body belongs to, and also don't utilize this doing sinful activities. Don't use this body in sinful activities. So Prabhupada, he means, so this is the many thing we can discuss, how when the body is, although it is temporary and it is meaningful, if you use this body and you can get the great benefit, and if you misutilize this body, many people they don't believe and their philosophy, their motive, their aim is, as long as this body is there, just gratify your senses, and you can eat, sleep, these things are nidra by maithun. जब तक ये शरीर है तब तक इसको पूरी आहार निद्रा भाई मैथुन में लगाओ, और खत्म हो जाने के बाद पता है नहीं कौन ये कब ये क्या होगा। तो ये मूर्खता है। तो so Vedic literature does not allow, and those who are intelligent person, they don't use this body like this way. Krishna bhaje se bada chatur. Those who are devout, those who do bhajan, Krishna's bhajan, they are actually clever. They are actually intelligent person. They do, and they don't run behind their mind, they are behind their senses. So that's why Sukadeva Goswami says, only dead man cannot receive this knowledge. Those who are dead, even they are alive, they are dead. Their senses are dead, their mind is dead, because they are completely blind and they cannot reciprocate the mercy of Lord. They cannot receive the mercy and they cannot realize the mercy because they are dead. ये जीवित होते हुए ये मरा हुआ है. Even they are alive, but they are dead because they cannot reciprocate the mercy. They cannot realize this. That's why Sukadeva Goswami says, only these person they can. So those atheists, those they are completely blind. Their sense, So that's why those who are dead man, they cannot hear this. Dead man means literally their senses are completely dead. So they cannot hear and they cannot realize. Those who have little sense, so they can realize. So that is the first step of realization, arthartho brahma jigyasa. Who am I? Why I am suffering in this world? I don't want to suffer. मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ दुख. क्यों हम मुझे दुख मिल रहा है? So that is the first beginning. If someone alive, if someone dead, they don't mind. And many people in this world, so they are doing everything, but they don't. And they are thinking they are smart and they knows what they can do. But actually, as long as we didn't contact with, if you are not contact with Bhagavatam and Vedic literature, we cannot do our benefit. And what is good for us, we cannot understand. So that's why many places in Bhagavatam Sukadeva Goswami mention. So only those who have a sense, they can hear. If you don't have sense, so इसीलिए भागवत में बार बार इस चीज को वर्णन किया गया है. जो जीवित है, जीवित प्राणी जिनका इंद्रियां हैं, वही भागवत को श्रवण कर सकता है और भगवान को अनुभव कर सकता है. और जीवित होते हुए मृत है, वो क्या अनुभव करेगा? वो तो काम क्रोध का दास बना हुआ है और अंधा हुआ है, वो समझ नहीं सकता. और इसी बेकार चीज में, फालतू चीज में वो लगा हुआ है और उसमें बहुत समय चला जाता है. ये कैसे हुआ, वो कैसे हुआ. प्रभुपाद जी बोलते थे, जगत में सागर में डूब रहा है, वो पूछ रहा है, कोई आया उसको उद्धार करने के लिए, गाड़ी में ठीक है, पेट्रोल है, तुम्हारा बोर्ड ठीक है, जाएगा ले जाएगा, ऐसे ऐसे हजार क्वेश्चन. अरे इससे पहले निकलो जल्दी. तो कभी कभी लोग ऐसा ही छांटते हैं और विश्वास नहीं करते. इतनी होने पर कैसे विश्वास होगा? क्योंकि उनका भीतर जाता ही नहीं. इनका वहां तक, भीतर तक, आत्मा तक पहुंचता नहीं. उनके इंद्रियां वहीं से बंद है, भीतर से, बाहर से बंद है. सो देन इफ यू समवन कैन हियर प्रॉपर्ली, इट कैन गो टू इनसाइड देयर हार्ट, देन दे कैन रियलाइज, oh I am. And those realize, they come Krishna consciousness and they do the bhajan. No, this is enough. And who am I? What is my duties? So they can understand. And we can see they can realize and they can happily they live in this world. Instead of this world is suffering, this world is very dukhalayam ashashvatam, this very place of misery, but they can nicely, they can happily, they can stay. This is the open secret. But no one can understand this. This is the open secret. But how? So here Sukadeva Goswami mentioned, we should not worry about whom this body. We got this body, we have this body, utilize this body. And इसी शरीर से, जो शरीर हमको भगवान का शरीर, भगवान यहाँ पर बताया गया है यह शरीर आखिर अव्यक्त प्रकृति द्वारा उत्पन्न किया जाता है और नष्ट होकर पुनः प्राकृतिक तत्व में विलीन हो जाता है। इट्स कैन अव्यक्त प्रकृति अव्यक्त प्रकृति। This body is, after all, it produced by the unmanifest nature and again annihilated and merged in the natural elements. It is came a manifest, unmanifest nature, and it is finished. Also, it is the material element. In there is many song in Odisha, the sadhu compose how body finished and again मिट्टी में मिल गया, मिट्टी का शरीर मिट्टी में मिल गया. This body is like mud, na soil, earth, and it is become earth because it's element. It is so which is important? The soul is important. The body is not important, but body is important as long as soul is there. So body can, otherwise मृतस्य शरीरम क्या रंजनम लोक रंजनम. Only if there is no soul, dead body is nothing. Only if you decorate with dead body, loka ranjanam, to make people entertainment, to make the body, the dead body, if you make dead body, putting all the jewelry, everything. So if, as long as we are dead body, as long as the soul is there and your consciousness is there. So here our some Acharya, they says, if your consciousness is not good, your consciousness is like dead, so that is also dead. So we cannot hear, cannot. So that's why don't gratify your senses. Don't kill unnecessary animal for this body. This body is ultimately, this body become earth. And why you take so much sinful activity, do kill so many things to gratify these senses. That's why again he will explain how the people are so full and to gratify their senses they do so much sinful activities. जब तक कोई धृत ना हो तब तक ऐसा कर पाना संभव नहीं. आदि में यह शरीर कुछ नहीं था, अंत में यह भी कुछ नहीं रहेगा. When it started, it was unmanifest, and when it also finished, it is also finished. So also they says शून्य था अशून्य हो गया, means it was like zero, it become also zero. So body is nothing, only soul remain all the time. So why you do so much sinful activity? Because if you concern your body is everything, but body is nothing. So there is the story everyone says, so many sadhus says, the body, the king has 3 wives, and he love. The king has 3 wives. 2 wives he so much love, and 1 wife he does not love. She don't like her. When he is going to die, he asks, because I am leaving my body, please come with me. He says, we cannot come. The first wife says, no. When you die, after death, I will become others. Right? You will become others. Yeah, I will become others. Then second wife says, then you will become others. I love so much. You will become others. Yes, I will become others. Then second wife says, I will only go to the crematory, where they burn the bodies. After that, I cannot go with you. Then third wife says, who he never loved the third wife. He says, I will go with you all the time. You go with me? Yes, I will go with you. This, who is the king? राजा का 3 पत्नी था। दो पत्नी को तो बहुत प्रेम करता था, थर्ड को कभी नहीं करता था। फर्स्ट पत्नी को बोला, मैं तुमको प्रेम करता, मैं मरेगा तो मैं जाऊंगा तो तुम मेरे साथ आएगा? नहीं, तुम मरने के बाद मैं तो दूसरी का हो जाऊंगा। और दूसरा बोला, मैं तो उस स्मशान घाट तक जाऊंगा। तीसरा, मैं तुम्हारे साथ चलूंगा। जो तीसरा पत्नी को कभी वो प्रेम नहीं किया। ये 3 राजा कौन है? सोल है। सोल इज द किंग। सोल हैज 3 wife. First wife, he loves so much. Whom? Money. No, soul have 3 wife. No, just he loves so much money, property. No, after he die, the property, money, everything will become others. Finish. Then second wife. Second wife is his body. Body, so much love to body, and the body go to up to crematories, and they burn the body. Finish. Third wife, the devotional service. It can go our karma, no? That can go with us. That does not, and we don't do devotional service. We have no interest. भक्ति है, भक्ति का कथा सुनेगा तो नींद आएगा, भक्ति सुनेगा तो और सारे चीज, कितना गप मार लो, गप मारने में कितना इंटरेस्ट है, और भक्ति भगवान कथा आएगा तो नींद आएगा। भगवान कथा में सब तकलीफ और इंटरेस्ट देखो, और शरीर की कथा में कितना इंटरेस्ट है, ये फिल्म और इसमें कितना इंटरेस्ट है कि ये भौतिक जगत के मतलब worldly affairs were so much interest here, so many worldly temporary things, interest, so interesting. Cricket, sports, war, so interest. Krishna Katha, very boring. Boring, no interest. And that can go with us. If you have, that is more than pious. If you do something, that can go with us all the time. If you have that, after death, you will realize, oh, I did something. After death, because that part we does not see, we does not know. After that, what will happen to soul? That is unknown us. But you can realize, if we got this body because previously we did something, we got this body. Why the people are suffering? Why soul is suffering? Soul is not suffering, but the body, soul enter the body, they are suffering. You can discriminate this. Why it is happening? Because previously something we did, so that's why we are suffering. We don't know, we are so much how it is like this, how previously we got that credit, now we are taking we are now use that credit. So that's why the sober people, those are intelligent people, ज्ञानी, those are भक्त, ये शरीर को कभी ऐसे यूज नहीं करता। आज देखते हैं हमारा शरीर कौन जाएगा, and even in very crucial moment, Krishna says, "Salpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahat bhayat." Even if you do little service, that can save you very great dangerous situation. And it happen, if you have little devotion, that can save you great danger. And if you continuously do devotional service, then you cannot feel what is the death, what is the life. Because death and death is, and any pain, pleasure, you cannot feel if someone do devotional service. So that's why the devotion is so important for soul. That is the life of soul. If you do devotion, that's why these the saintly person, the sadhus, they completely research it, and after that they wrote these transcendental literatures for the soul. So that's why they says don't give so much importance to this body, and don't wastage your time researching body what, and now we are doing same thing. All the scientists, all this material for body, how will become comfortable, how so comfort, because there is no austerities. How body? So that's why they say out of the, if you take fish out of water, finish. Whatever comfort you give. The soul is like that. If your soul keep the bhajan, kirtan, spiritual things, soul will remain nicely. Without bhajan, kirtan, if you go these things, worldly affairs, and they are thinking, oh, you are giving so much comfort to soul, to body, but if so much comfort, it is give you so much pain. If I do the austerity, that's why those days before they do any entering grihastha life, they go austerity, do many austerity. If you go any chapter in Bhagavatam, if you go, those who become husband wife, if they have to go to produce children, they go first austerity, do the so much austerity, then do something for children, no? They do for children. So that is the austerity can bring you so many things. But the comfort, there says comfort is and comfort, sometimes we forget many things. And you cannot realize. So that's why tapasya, no? Austerity is necessary from this body. तपस्या बहुत जरूरी है. So this is the lesson. Tomorrow we'll start, next verse we'll start. Anybody and have any question you can.
When I meet my family members in my country, and they see I'm a devotee to somebody, and I can see if I try to speak a little bit about Krishna consciousness, they are afraid.
Yes, because they will. Yes.
They are afraid. Because what is curious is that they perceive that there is something very, very true in what I am doing. I'm doing for more than 40 years. They see something is true.
Something is true, huh?
True, yes.
Yes.
They know.
Yes.
And they see. I am much more happy than before. I look good, I look healthy.
Yes.
And, but still, they are very reluctant. If I start speaking, I see they don't want. Don't speak. So
the question is why they are doing like this. Yes, good question. Why? Because very nice question. Why? They know, they understand how after devotee, devotee becomes so bright, so nice, healthy, they're happy, but they don't want to become devotees. Why? Because they don't have Sikruti. Sikruti means Sikruti. Sukruti. Because they don't have the pious credit. They don't have credit card to spend the money. Now, no. They don't have credit card. You have to give some credit card. Then they can purchase something. They can purchase the holy name. They cannot purchase because they don't have credit card. The sukr. If so many ways tell them, they are afraid. They know this is good. But the influence of devotee, sometimes you associate with them, give little prasadam, slowly, they will get some credit, so they can come slowly. after associating. Otherwise, they can't.
They have this opinion that it's a calamity that that I became a devotee. They think like that. It's a calamity. I was a good boy, normal. Now I am a Hare Krishna. And they are very afraid that I may become also Hare Krishna like him.
Yeah, because they are not intelligent, no? Because they are thinking so many other things, which is not true. Whatever they are thinking, that is not true. Because in Bhagavatam also it said that's why we should not waste this time, no? Here they are thinking body belongs to whom? Here you see, Sukadeva Goswami says body belongs to whom? It is Agnidev, to fire, because everything burn fire. So it belongs to father, mother, belongs to anyone. So no need to search this thing. This is like foolish question. And whatever the body, if utilize properly, use it properly, so it can use properly, then you can get the great benefit. Male bheli pulandri chandan tarun indhan kurute. There is slokas, no? If you don't know that in the Malaya Pradesh there is some place, there is so many sandalwood tree grows, and they don't know use the sandalwood tree, and they put the sandalwood, the firewood, they make them firewood to cook their food. But if they will sell it market, they can get so much money. If someone use this body, sense gratification, useless. Because they are thinking it is good. Firewood, they are okay. But they don't know if this body can use some higher purpose. Yes.
But you see, something I never really understand because how much is Sukriti and how much is free will? I mean, Prabhupada said Krishna for everybody can become Krishna consciousness if he wants. But on the other side, it seems like
no, Prabhupada.
You need a credit card. So, and how much also we as devotees, some devotees seems like even Karanakana Maharaj says, some devotee for one devotional life is very easy. Follow everything crazy, go do a job is because they have some sukhi. And for some devotee, all life is a struggle and they struggle. So he says because we come from previous.
No, yes, that.
I don't understand that.
No, that is actually there. Actually, without security credit card, you cannot enter, no? But credit card also some dimension, no? How to use this credit card. After getting credit card, but we misutilize this credit card. That's why we don't have so much balance. If you put so much balance, then you can get so much facility. Go to lounge, go to so many things. So because sorry, this is not a good example, but it's come I don't know how it is come so this because we get the previously some security we have, we come contact with devotees, but we are not steady in our devotional practice. If we steady devotional practice, then we can develop quickly, we can advance quickly, because there is something, because our spiritual practice and also dedication, our saranagati, our surrender. If you have credit card, but if you completely surrender, then Krishna will listen to you. Because we are still, we cannot surrender completely. So that's why if you completely surrender, Krishna is yours. But we are still agitated. We are still something that cannot allow us to completely surrender. And we know that. Everyone knows what is our mistake inside, what is our disease inside. No, that everyone knows. Because we are devotees, we know everything. We come to this Up to this means we know what is our mistake inside, no? Oh, this does not allow because we have some false pride, something that if you will give up that, the Krishna will was. But that we cannot, because that as long as we hold that, that we have to, that's why we have to pray the mercy of devotees, mercy of Krishna, no? To come through the devotees. If you get some mercy of devotees, so we will surrender properly, immediately. And it is depending as long as how long we take to surrender. And because we are thinking something else, we are something, we have something, because some pride also there. So it means still the duskruti is still there. Yes, some duskruti is there. This is the symptom of duskruti. That's why it is not going cleaning. Yes, some sukruti there, so we come to Krishna consciousness. But there is something, many things it is mentioned in Shastras or Acharya, the symptom of duskruti. Still we are, out of sukruti we came, but there is a symptom of duskruti. It says in Hindi, sukruti, anarthas. No, anarthas. There's anartha. Anarthas lakshan, no symptom of anarthas. Janana punya karmana. The anarthas also it is anartha. Those who are still anartha, the devotee still anartha is not finished, because sadhu sangha bhajan kira, shraddha sadhu sangha bhajan kira anartha nivruti. Means still some anartha is there. And if someone is so much angry, so much lusty, so much, this thing, means anartha is still there, because the symptom is coming. And anartha finish, the symptom will come out. Is anartha, there is no anarthas. He is completely quiet, he is completely peaceful, happy.
So can we say that it's not, maybe not all devotee can make it in one life to purify their heart? It's possible that some devotee will have to.
No, actually depending how much you surrender. One lifetime you can go, because human body one lifetime, who does not know when it will come again. So, and it does not, that's why Prahlad Maharaj says Arthadam, Adhruvam and Durlabam. The three things in commentaries, they says Durlabam, Arthadam and Adhruvam. So this means it is not, if you, what sense you say the next life you will become human, then you do continue my, no. That's why I said, no, this lifetime go back and completely surrender. No, just don't make another plan. Oh, next life you will become devotee, some devotee house I will become, then I will go back home. No, okay, I can enjoy this lifetime and another 2 life, then I will go back home. No, sometimes there's some, no, don't be so serious, no. Don't, some devotees are saying, I don't. No, our Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada and these are all, they say, no, get back as soon as possible. Don't take time. And mind will make you cheat. Mind always cheating us.
Adhruvam means non-certainty, no certainty.
Yes, Adhruvam. No, it is temporary. No, any time can die. That's why Kaumaram start from childhood. Okay. You okay? ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय।